Hey everyone, it's just me, your friendly neighborhood metal detectorist. I'm going to be detecting this area in here. I suspect there was a house around here at one time. I looked around, I couldn't find any foundation or cellar holes or anything, but so I'm going to metal detect the area, see if I can't find some nails or something like that to help me narrow down the location. I'll get you back up on if I find anything. Oh, and thanks for tuning in. First signal of the day, folks. It'll be a pretty good one too. Hopefully she's not iced in. I'll get you back up on when I dig it out. Yep. Proud new owner of a piece of flat metal trash. Right on. Digging on. Another signal, folks. Right there, it's ringing up pretty good. Let's see what that one is. Okay, folks, let's check it out. Got a square nail out of that hole. Didn't take me long to find that. It's an oldie. And there's this little piece here, which is probably off another square nail, which took me about 10 minutes to find the thing. So anyways, that's a good indication that there was something here. I'll keep poking around here, see what else I can get into. Get you back up if I find anything of interest. Surface find. Dunlop golf ball. Might be the best find of the day. Who knows? On to the next. Back again. Got a signal. Getting close to this tree here. Looks like it's right about there somewhere. Alright. Well, I'll get you back on once I dig it up. Got it. Lucky old round nail. Look at that thing. What a work of art. Alright, we'll keep at her. Hey, another signal. Right near that big pile of deer scat. Okay, I'll get you back up on once I dig this up. Okay, folks, check this out. Look at the size of that bad boy. That's quite a square nail. Big one. Right on. Catch you on the next hole. Okay, I hit this with the detector, but it's just a surface find. If you can see it. It blends in there pretty good. Shotgun shell. I don't even think I can read the head of it. Might be able to if I cleaned it up. Anyways, let's keep going, see what else we can find. We got something. Gonna have to move this log out of the way. It's starting to rain here too. Might have to cut this hunt short. We'll see what happens. We'll get you back up in a bit. Another square nail with a great big head on it. Look at that thing. Right on. Man, oh man. Okay, well, we'll keep looking around. Might have to cut her short anyways. We'll see you in the next hole. Okay folks, dug something up here. It's round. It's not a square nail. Let's see what it is. I don't know if it's a coin or not. Don't see any writing on it. Any design, nothing. I'm gonna have to get that cleaned up and see what it is. Okay, should be the best find of the day. Catch you later. Hey folks, just want to pop on here real quick. Say, I don't know if this is a coin or not. There's a comparison there. Quarter, a Canadian toonie, and this item here. It's quite corroded if it is a coin, front and back. I don't see any identifying marks on it. No designs or writing, nothing. So I just want to say that. Anyways, on with the end of the video. Yeah, I got something here. I got the discrimination turned up, so this might actually be something worthwhile. I'll get you back up on once I get it dug up. Well, that's what we got. No wonder it was giving a good signal. So big. Piece off something. Piece of equipment of some sort. A few pieces of it here. So that was the mystery item. Well, on to the next. Well, we didn't have much luck today, folks. I'll get that circular item cleaned up. See what that is. If it's anything, I'll let you know. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Good luck on your next one out. Happy hunting and all that good stuff. We'll catch you later.